Silo is a zero-waste restaurant. It might be the only zero-waste restaurant in the world. Zero waste means that we don't have a bin. The small amount of waste that inevitably occurs is natural. So it goes into the belly of our compost machine. And that compost then goes back to the source of where the food grows, and it's really that simple. It's a really beautiful closed loop. Glass from wine bottles is the one material that we recycle. Whilst glass is 100% recyclable, the process of recycling is incredibly intensive, with a giant carbon footprint. My dream is to not recycle anything. For years, I've been contemplating how to eliminate this problem. About a year ago, I had this very strange dream. Brighton's pebbled beach was a sandy beach. I woke up thinking about what would happen if I turned our waste glass into sand. More importantly, would glass sand be beneficial somehow? After a huge amount of research, I found a company that makes a machine that crushes glass back into fine sand. It doesn't sound remarkable, but it actually really is. So excited by this prospect, I asked my friend Mark if he could turn crushed glass sand into crockery that we could use at Silo. And then with a big smile he said, well...
You know me, Doug. I'll have a challenge. So when Doug approached me and supplied me with some materials to play with and see what we can make out of this crushed glass, my perspective as a potter, I think, really helped. So we actually pulverized the sand into a fine talc to then apply it as if we would be applying a clay. The material that we have actually managed to create would be something very close to porcelain, still with some translucency, and create a vessel of which can become part of the crockery for Silo.
The definition of upcycling is to give a material greater value. So turning our waste wine bottles into fine crockery would be a remarkable increase of value. Comparatively, this idea is the same as turning food waste into compost. If we can raise the money to buy this necessary equipment, this will take zero waste to a whole new level. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and your support would be greatly appreciated.